Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today what I'm going to do is I'm going to be reviewing a few of the fuelings because a few people have asked me in the past if I could review the different types of fuelings. So this first one is the Homestyle chicken flavored vegetable soup, which you guys already know before. I wasn't pretty open to the warm options, so I always wanted to know maybe what they look like and what they were. So what I'm doing here is I'm reviewing the different ones to give you guys an idea of what they really look like and what they are. So if you guys have any questions or there's any other fuelings you guys would like me to review, just let me know in the comments. If you guys hear a lot of background noise, sorry about that. In the background, there's an ice maker where I am at work. So just wanted to let you guys know that and apologize. But let's get to the review. Hi guys, so today I am at work and someone asked me to start making reviews about the different fuelings, right? So today we're going to do the Homestyle chicken flavored vegetable soup, right? So I was always eating these brownies, like literally didn't try any of the warm stuff, but I had to kind of, open up my palate, I guess you would say, change my taste buds. So I needed something warm, so I always wanted to see what it looked like uncooked. So if you can see in here, it's like powdery, but can you guys see that? I don't know, let's see. I don't know, but I'll pour it in here, okay? So. So basically, here's what it looks like in the bowl, because I always wanted to kind of see, people talk about it, but you see the consistency of it? It's like powdery, but you can kind of see some noodles in there. I don't know if you guys can really see that, but... Okay, so basically, I'm going to add some water to this. I don't really have anything to measure, but it tells you what to do on the back. And it says to add 3/4 cup of water on here. So basically, I'm going to try to follow these, just to follow these instructions and see, but we'll see how it goes. Okay. Okay guys, so this is pre-cooked, right? So my husband always tells me a lot of times, some of these fuelings, he's like a believer in letting them sit. So what I do is maybe like for a minute or two, I just kind of mix it up, and maybe I'm letting the noodles sit a little bit to kind of like soften up, just because I want to make sure it didn't go too much, but you don't even have to let it sit that long. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it over to the microwave. And then I think it says to put this for... I don't know how long it says to do this. But I'm gonna, let's see. I'm gonna start it at 2 minutes, and then we'll kind of see how it is from there. On the package, it says to let it go for 2.5 minutes. Can you see right there? Yeah, 2.5 minutes. We're gonna put it in there for. So we'll microwave it, and then we'll see how it goes. I just want to kind of address something too, like as far as like the different fuelings, I just want to encourage you, like, open up your palate a little bit. I know even for me and some of my clients, when I give them the order, I try to give them things they like, but you want to kind of like try other things. So your first order for your coach, tell her to give you a variety, even if it's one box of something else. It won't hurt for you to get through that one box, but try different things. Have a variety of the sweet, the warm, and the shakes, and the bars, because you can't do the bars all the time, because I did that, and honestly, I got a little gassy. It was kind of bad, but you know, I needed those on the go, but shakes are also on the go. But what I'm doing now is I'm just trying to open up my mind to different things to make this program just feel more of something you would do in your everyday life. You get what I'm saying? So like, if you could find like a small meal like this in between. You know, you want to just get in the habit of trying different fuelings, you know what I'm saying? Because if you're eating the same ones, what you don't want to do is end up quitting this program because, oh, this fueling, I've been eating this fueling over and over again, I don't want it anymore, this program isn't working, and then boom, here you go, you're overthinking it again. Okay, oh, so it's done right now. I'm gonna go check that and I'll show you guys what it looks like. Okay, so super hot. Let's just take that out and kind of see the consistency, because that's how I kind of measure my fuelings. So after you kind of warm it, this microwave, it depends. This microwave is much faster than the microwave over there. So if you usually have the like above range ones, those are quicker. So you got to know your microwave. But this is the consistency so far. And I think the directions say next, make my soup a little, like, you know, like a little juice in it. So what the directions say is to kind of let this sit for about a minute. So after about a minute, what we're gonna do is, it says let 1 minute, and then we're gonna warm it for another minute. So I'm gonna let this sit for about a minute, and then I'm gonna go ahead and warm it again just to see, okay? Okay, so it's been 1 minute. So what I'm gonna do is you can kind of see it even thickened up a little bit. So I'm gonna let it warm again for 1 more minute, and then we'll see how that goes. And this is after, you can see it's much thicker now, right? So there's a lot of steam, sorry guys. So you can see this is after that extra 1 minute. So I'm gonna let it sit for a little bit. So they say let it sit for 3 to 5 minutes, but I don't have that long. But I'm gonna basically walk to my desk, kind of let it sit for a minute, and then I'll show you guys again. All right, here goes. Okay, now I'm back at my desk, and this is after it is sat for a few minutes. You can see the consistency totally changed. It's more like a noodle soup pasta. There you go. And again, that is the Homestyle chicken flavored noodle soup. Okay, so I just finished having my, let's see if you can see this, Homestyle chicken flavored vegetable noodle soup. I mean, it was actually, it's good. Like I said, at first I wasn't even open to it, so I hadn't even tried it. So I can't say I didn't like it the first time, because I never tried it. Like, even like there's certain things like the mac and cheese and certain things, I heard things about it, so I just never tried it. But people were telling me the soup was good, and I'm happy I tried it, because like I said, around lunchtime when I'm eating and other people are eating, it just gives me like a warm meal to eat, where I feel like I'm eating a lunch. It's not just like a fueling. I do feel like it doesn't give me like pasta vibes. It gives me more like a little rice, like it's a little thicker, but it's good. Like, it's honestly flavored enough for me to not like, and I'm not open to many things. So I'm telling you, like, it was actually pretty good. So if you want to give that a try, it's something warm, it's flavored, it divides up the sweets. And I think it's a really good fueling to have if you want something to divide up the things you already have, like the sweet things that you already have, if you want to sit and eat a meal. So like I said, this was requested, so I'm gonna start doing little videos like this, review the different fuelings. So this was just a quick video of me eating the soup. So let me know what you guys think about the soup. If you like it, if you're not, let me know in the comments again. And if you guys want the charts or any of the other things, again, in my description, I have all of those. So if you want to go ahead and download those, and if there's any other guides or something you guys think would be helpful, just let me know. I'm gonna set up my Etsy shop. I haven't yet, but when I do that, I'll put a link down below and let you guys know. But all right, that's all for today. See you guys in the next video. Bye.